In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to template tasks in ClickUp using automations to standardize your process. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear and efficient method to streamline your project management tasks with templates. So, grab your device and let's get started. First things first, we need to access ClickUp. So, open your preferred web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar interface where productivity, AI, and humans converge to create seamless workflows. Next, it's time to log in. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, but for the purposes of this guide, we'll continue as a guest user. Simply click on the option that says Continue as Test. This will take you directly into the ClickUp interface, ready for exploration. Once logged in, look for a plus icon. It's usually located on the sidebar. Clicking on this icon allows us to dive into creating new elements within ClickUp. Here, you're presented with an array of options, but for our task, we're interested in the Templates section. Go ahead and click on Templates. This is where you can search or browse for ready-made task frameworks. Let's say, for this instance, your interest is in social media planning. In the search bar, simply type social media. Once you've searched, you'll see a list of template options related to social media management. Find the one that suits your needs and click on it to highlight your selection. This action prepares the template for use, effectively letting ClickUp know which structure you want to implement. Now, with your chosen template highlighted, click on the Use Template button. This ensures that the selected structure is ready for deployment in your workspace. Depending on your specific workflow, you might need to click Use Template more than once to finalize your selection. Once the template is in place, navigate to the specific task categories. For instance, if you started with a social media template, you might see options like Social Media or Content Library. Click through these categories to organize your tasks within their respective sections. As part of organizing your workspace, you'll want to ensure your content management system is efficient. Click on Content Library, then browse through to structure your materials properly. Finally, check the content calendar and content stage sections to ensure your content is correctly tracked through its various stages of development and publication. By keeping content organized in these areas, team members can avoid overlap and confusion, ultimately leading to a more harmonious workflow. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to templatize your tasks in ClickUp using automations. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency across your projects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!